One, two, three. I don't know what I mean. Someone here. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle. Make a wish and blow your big cake.
Okay, we have to take a picture.
Want to hold this?
Okay. Ayan, smell naman kayo dyan. Tapos na sila, tayo naman. Magbati ka, ate.
Happy birthday.
Sinong mag-birthday?
Rose.
Ate, batiin mo sa ate Rose.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rose.
Ate.
Hi, Ate Rose. Happy birthday.
Ate.
Happy birthday, Rose. Thank you, everybody.
Ayan. Sigaw na kayo dyan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ayan, ate Rose, anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Saya namin, masaya kami.
Maraming handa.
Kaming handa, kain ng kain.
Malaki ang bill ko.
Lalabas naman sa YouTube ni Mika yan.
Si Rose, pa-birthday mo sa treat mo sa amin.
Thank you, salamat. Sa
Thank
inyong
you.
pagdating.
Salamat sa ulitin.
Next year.
Next year. Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Nakuha ba ako, ate? Nakukuha ba ako?
Happy birthday, Rose.
Ay, sige.
Oo naman. Para. Ayan. O, sige.
Huwag mong gagalapin din natin.
Hindi wala akong ginagalaw. Ayan.
Okay,
So, happy birthday. Ayan.
God bless you always.
Ayan. Okay. Lahat ng tao. Ang daming bisita mo.
Ang daming bisita ni Ate. Yan, bisita ni Ate Rose.
Ang daming bisita eh.
Thank you. 87 daw. Yan. Happy birthday. Yan si bisita ni Ate Rose. Thank you.
Pangat-aga dito. Sana mababayo pa.
Oh yeah.
Ako dyan.
Ayaw. We hope we have lucky here. Ate Rose, you have?
I'll get some more.
Yeah.
Some more for you, okay?
Oh, more for you.
Happy birthday.
And the birthday there, other. Today is the Ate Rose birthday, June 2. Today Ate Rose is 78. But she want to 87. She want to her age is 87.
Okay.
Ate Rose. Okay. Huh?
Pinila, meron
Oh, really there. Wow.
It's on my fridge. Wow, ang ganda, no? You wipe it after, okay?
Dito na yung picture na Ate Rose, nakuha agad, oh.